Welcome into my living room, students. This is Mr. Duncan. We're going to be focusing this next unit about scatter plots and trying to keep track of data. Data when you have two different pieces of information. So we're going to use an example of Wii Sports Resort. I'm going to use the basketball three-point contest, and I'm going to go through and play around. And we're going to be keeping track of two pieces of information: how many shots are total, or how many times I shoot the ball, and then how many times, and then the total score and how it can increase. So you want to think, as the total number of shots that I shoot, as that goes up, do you think that the total points that I have will go up? So I'm going to keep track of the data, and then we're going to analyze it on a graph and go from there. Alright, so here we go. We're going to get ready to get this thing going. There's my guy. That's me right there. Bam! As you can see, I'm number one, I'm the king here, but it's easy to be number one when there's no one else competing against you, or if you play against your 9-year-old and your 5-year-old like I always do. But when I went through that, I tried to keep a track in my head of what shots that I missed, and so I kept track of that information here, which we'll explore and analyze it later. So you'll find out that it didn't completely go up in one completely straight line. It didn't show consistent rate of change, but it showed that there was a positive trend to where every time, the more that I was shooting, the higher my score was going to increase. So there's what you would call correlation. So they're related. So I want to try to learn to explore maybe other video games or other activities that you can play and trying to figure out when are the two pieces of information related. So in this one, the more shots that I shot, the chances are that my score was going to increase. So if you play a game or there are hits, strikes, kills, wins, anything like that, to where as you win something or complete something, does your score increase or does it decrease? As you go further in a game, do the coins you collect, do those increase? So we're going to look to explore that as we cover through this next unit, Unit 9, when we talk about scatter plots, correlation, and collecting data.